Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful. How to transfer XRP from your Kraken exchange account to your Kraken wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Kraken and want to move it to a more secure, self-custody option like Kraken Wallet, you're in the right place. This process is quick and secure, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Kraken exchange account and a Kraken wallet set up. You'll need to have some XRP in your Kraken exchange balance and the exact wallet address from your Kraken wallet app ready. Log into your Kraken exchange account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Next, find your XRP balance. Click on it to open the details, and look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to select the asset, which should be XRP. Now, enter the withdrawal details. Paste in the wallet address from your Kraken wallet. Double check that it's correct because XRP transfers are irreversible. After that, you'll need to specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Kraken might show you any applicable fees, so keep an eye on that. Fees can vary based on network congestion. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably have to go through a two-factor authentication step for security, so have your auth app or email ready. Sit tight while the transfer processes. XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are usually super fast, often under a minute, but it could take a bit longer depending on the network. Once it's done, open your Kraken wallet app and refresh to see your XRP arrive. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your wallet. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to make sure everything's working smoothly. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is pretty responsive. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Catch you in the next one.